Happy morning students. Welcome to grade 10 mathematics online class. Okay, have you done the homework problem in practical geometry? Only one problem, that is the concept of similar triangle. Okay, today also we are going to draw the same thing, similar triangle, but for improper fraction. In the last class, take your geometry notes, separate 100 pages long size plain note now. So practical geometry, these are the things the last class we learned, correct? The first example 4.10 and one exercise 4.1 10th problem, and one problem is homework I gave. That problem you completed, no? Okay, then turn to the next page. Okay dear students, listen. You can turn the next page and write example, not exercise. Example 4.11 in your textbook, which is in page number 169. You can follow that, okay? Construct a triangle similar to the given triangle PQR with its sides equal to 7 by 4 of the corresponding sides of the triangle PQR. The scale factor is given that 7 by 4, which is greater than 1. So here itself you can see the difference. Greater than 1 means the triangle comes outside. So that means it is improper fraction. The same method only, but the diagram looks somewhat big. So that's the difference. Okay, what is the first step? Drawing rough diagram. So as seen before, simply one triangle we need to draw. You can use pencil, okay? Don't use sketch pen or don't use any pen. You can use pencil and draw. Just draw one triangle like this. Got it, students? Okay, then you need to draw a line similar to that line. One line need to draw. So here itself you can write scale factor. What is the scale factor? 7 by 4. So this is improper fraction. Improper fraction means the dash symbol P dash and Q dash will come outside. So inner triangle PQR, outer P dash R dash. See the difference? There is only one difference in the rough diagram for proper fraction and improper fraction. Here the scale factor is 2 by 3. Proper. Okay, proper means the dash will come inside. P dash and Q. Sorry, it is R dash. Okay. The previous problem itself you can change this. It is R dash. Here also it is R dash. Here R and R dash. P dash, R dash. Sorry for the mistake, and here R dash. Okay. So see the difference in the rough diagram. We are going to compare. For proper fraction, the dash symbol will come inside. Here for improper fraction, 7 by 4 is improper. No, the dash symbol will come outside. That's all. But other than that, everything same only. Here also we are going to draw the same procedure. First, what is the first step? Drawing this. We are going to draw one equilateral triangle 6 centimeter. So here I am drawing 6 centimeter equilateral triangle. Then measure this and cut this. Using scale also you can measure, no problem. So join this. First step over. Got it, students? What is the first step? Drawing one equilateral triangle. Otherwise, if you are not wish to draw equilateral triangle, you can draw any one simple triangle. Using some other measurements also you can draw. Okay. Then take your protractor, reverse this and take any one of the acute angle. Here I am taking 45 degree. So 45 degree I am taking acute angle. Then join this. Using scale and pencil you need to join. So this arc is X-ray. Okay, ray X. Okay. Then, so this triangle is our actual triangle. That is PQR. This is the actual triangle. Then, you need to see this number. 7 and 4. Which is the biggest number? 7 or 4? 7 is the biggest number. So, how many arcs you need to draw? 7 arcs you need to draw with approximate measurement. I am taking 1.5 arc measurement. You can take 2 cm also, you will get correct, but the diagram looks somewhat so big. So here I am taking 1.5, and here how many arc? Number of arcs is accurate measurement only you need to take. The biggest number. Which is the biggest number? 7 or 4? 7 is the biggest number. So 7 arc you need to draw. From Q, 7 arc you need to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, line. So we need to join, extend this, okay. Seventh arc here. It looks dark. Okay. Seventh arc here. 7 arcs we draw. Shall we name this Q, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5, Q6, Q7. Why we drawn 7 arcs? Because the highest number, the big number is 7. So we drawn 7 arcs. The first step, drawing equilateral triangle of 6 cm. Second step, taking acute angle, any one acute angle. Here I took 45-degree angle. Okay. Third step, drawing arcs. How many arcs here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Why we drawn 7 arcs? Here the largest number is 7. So only we drawn 7 arcs. What is the fourth step? See the denominator. What is the denominator? 4. So fourth arc you need to join. The same procedure only. Here 4 is the denominator number. So fourth arc, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth arc you need to join to the given triangle. Okay, the same thing. Now from this line we are going to repeat the procedure. The same thing. First arc in between 3 and 4, we are going to draw the arc like this. Don't change the measurement. See the up number 7. So come to the 7th arc. So here also draw the same. Then need to measure this. Measure this. Okay, just measuring this. Accurate measurement needed, okay. Just measuring this and then cut the previous arc like this. Okay, then we are going to draw the line like this. For drawing this line, here there is no liner, so we need to extend this line. The given line you need to extend, and this arc, these two lines we need to join. Got it, students? The down portion over. Here see the same thing now. Here also slanting, the same slanting 2 lines we got. Up also slanting 2 lines we need to get. So up we are going to do, take your compass and from this line we are constructing an arc, a simple arc with approximate measurement. That measurement no need to change. The same measurement we are drawing here also. Then measure this. This is very important step. You need to measure this. Here see the measurement. If it is correct you can take that. If it is any adjustment you need to adjust that. So measure this and that measurement arc you need to cut here. Okay. Here also down, up also we need to draw the line. Since there is no line we need to extend this. Okay. Then we need to join this. Students, again I am telling, please draw using pencil, don't use any sketch pens. Okay students, got it? The diagram, we got the diagram, colorful diagram. Okay, P dash, R dash. Now we are going to check whether our drawn diagram is correct or wrong. How can we check? See here, placing in this, I am getting 60 degree. So the new line also, if I am getting 60 degree, that is correct. Yes, I got 60 degree. So our diagram is correct. Down also, the 2 lines, it should be like the same, and up also it should be like the same angle we need to get. Got it, students? What's the difference between proper and improper? See, we can see the difference here. Here, this is the actual triangle. This arc, okay, this arc, the triangle which having the arc is the actual triangle. So the new line P dash and Q dash comes inside. This is for proper, and for improper, this is the actual triangle. The P dash and R dash will come outside. So for the improper fraction, the P dash and R dash will come outside. For proper fraction, the P dash and, it's not Q dash, change this, R dash, okay. R dash, it is coming inside. That is the only difference. For improper fraction, the diagram looks big, and the proper fraction, the diagram looks small. It will come inside the triangle, and improper fraction, the line will go outside. We need to extend this. So improper fraction, we need to extend this. That's the difference. Other than that, all the procedures same only. Shall we see one exercise problem now? Then one exercise problem homework. Okay, dear students, listen. exercise 4.1, 12th problem. Already we completed 10 as classwork and 11 is homework. Now 12 is classwork and 13 is homework. Okay. So construct a triangle similar to the given triangle ABC with its sides equal to 6 by 5 of the corresponding sides of the triangle ABC. Scale factor is given. Shall we start now? So first one, rough diagram. So first we can draw the rough diagram. Normally one triangle. Is it clear? One triangle and inside one line. Likewise the similar line you need to draw. The same shape, this same line shape here also you need to get. Okay students? Okay. Now here see the scale factor. Write the scale factor. Scale factor is equal to 6 by 5. It is greater than 1. So greater than 1 means the P dash and the R dash will come outside. So inner triangle PQ on here ABC, no. So ABC, since it is greater than 1, the dash symbol will come outside. So A dash and C dash. Got it students? Shall we start this now? Okay. First thing we need to draw one equilateral triangle. Otherwise you can draw simply one triangle, that also correct. So here I am taking one equilateral triangle 6 centimeter. Then I am going to finish this triangle. Just put an arc like this and here also one arc. Then join this. So from here to here and from here to here. I am going to give the namings. Here A, B, C. Got it students? The first step over. What is the second step? Take your protractor, reverse this and take any one of the acute angle. So acute angle here I am taking 45 degree. So just clear this and take this and join this. Now we are going to get one X-ray. That means ray X. Just draw this and here mark this in X-ray. Okay. Now see the scale factor. Scale factor is 6 by 5. Which is the biggest number? 6 or 5? 6 is the biggest number. So 6 arc you need to draw. With approximate measurement, here I am taking 1.5. You can take 2 centimeter also. The diagram will come very big. So only I am taking 1.5. Approximate measurement. Don't change the measurement. Okay. So here the biggest number is 6. So only I am taking 6 arc. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got it students? 6 arcs I have drawn. So here see, just I am going to give the name B1, B2. Here B means B1, B2. There Q means Q1, Q2. Based on that letter we need to give. So B3, B4, B5, B6. Okay. First step, drawing equilateral triangle. Otherwise any triangle as per your wish. That also correct. Here I am drawing an equilateral triangle. After that one acute angle we need to take. Then based on the biggest number we need to draw that much of arcs you need to draw. Here B1 to B6. Okay. What is the fourth step? Check the denominator. The denominator is 5. So denominator number only we need to take down. Okay. So here denominator 5. So see the fifth arc. Fifth arc you need to join. This is the very important step. Denominator number only you need to take. Okay. So fifth arc you need to join with the triangle. Now drawing arc. So take your compass as per your wish. Take one simple arc like this in between 4 and 5. It should not exceed the fourth arc. Okay. Okay. One arc. Don't change the measurement. See the up number 6. So the sixth also you need to draw the same. Here. Okay. Then what's the next step? You need to measure this. You need to measure this. Adjust it and measure this. And with that measurement, we need to cut this. Then we need to extend this. So only we are going to extend the baseline. Extend this. Okay. Now we need to join. cut it properly. Okay. Then we need to join like this. Okay, students, see the same line we are getting now. If you are getting the line like this, that is wrong. If you are getting the line like this shape wrong. Same shape we need to get. That's why. Okay. Then up here, up you need to take one small arc. And with that measurement, we need to get the previous one. Okay. Measure this and cut this. Here also we need to extend this. Extend this, then join this. Got it, students? Okay. Now we are going to give name, that is A dash, C dash, the new thing. Then we are going to check whether it is correct or wrong. The first one I am taking 60 degree. Here also 60 degree. If you draw another triangle means other than equilateral triangle means you will get a different angle. Not every one for 60 degree. But if you draw equilateral triangle means 6 centimeter equilateral triangle means we will get 60 degree, 60 degree. Otherwise if you draw 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter means not equilateral triangle other than 5, 6, 7, the different like a scaling triangle, you will get a different angle. That meaning here whatever angle you are getting, the same angle you need to get here also. Okay, that is the concept. Got it, students? Okay, that's all. Exercise 4.1, 12th problem over. Then exercise 4.1, 13th problem, homework. Today's homework, you need to draw in this page. Okay, the next page. So here question, construction, rough diagram, fair diagram. So the construction you need to copy with the help of the textbook. Okay, for each page you need to write the construction in the left hand side. So totally how many problems? 6 problems. 4 problems I taught and 2 problems homework. Already you finished 1 problem in the previous class and today 1 homework. Got it, students? Okay, if you have any doubt in the practical geometry you can ask me. No problem. So see the difference. For smaller proper fraction the line will come inside and for improper fraction the new line will come outside. For improper fraction greater than 1 means you need to extend that. Otherwise normal fraction means below, that means what we can say, it will come inside of the triangle. Okay, students? Okay, let's complete the practical geometry problems today. And today we are going to start the new chapter, chapter 2. Okay. Listen, students, so take your textbook and turn to the contents page. The first chapter already over, correct? So third chapter, algebra, introduction, these are the things over. Up to quadratic equations over, up to 3.6. That means the heading here 3.6, quadratic equations over. Then graph of variations, quadratic graphs. It too comes under graph. You need to write in graph note. And there is only one subchapter, matrices. That matrices also you need to continue in the third chapter note. So for you need to take a new note for second chapter, numbers and sequences. Okay. Today itself we need to learn, we are going to learn the third chapter in the upcoming classes also. Okay. And after completing second chapter, we need to move for this matrices. And since it is, see, it is October portion, no? And since it is June and July portion, we need to complete this earlier. So only we need to move for the second chapter. The earlier portion, we need to complete earlier. So only, so here, up to this quadratic graphs, quadratic equations over, and this graph of variations and quadratic curves, we need to write in the graph note. So now take a new note for second chapter, numbers and sequences, and let's listen the class. Okay, listen, students. Welcome to chapter 2, numbers and sequences. Okay, you can check the textbook. Okay. The first concept is Euclid's division lemma. And here, a new thing, father of geometry. Do we know father of geometry is Euclid? So Euclid found these things and Euclid's name they put. Okay, Euclid, father of geometry. So here Euclid's division lemma. Lemma is a lemma do we know? Theorem do we know? The lemma is considered as the mini theorem. So lemma is nothing but mini theorem. Okay, listen students, one simple concept today we are going to learn. Very, very easy. Chapter 2 is very, very simple as well as easy. Okay, okay, let's listen. First theorem is Euclid's division lemma, which is in page number 37. You can refer your textbook in page number 37. So listen, let A and B be any two positive integers. For example, I am giving, we can take any two positive integers. What is the meaning of positive integers? 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Okay, A and B, we can take any two positive integers. But what is the condition? A should be greater than B. So 6 and 2 we can take. A is equal to 6, B is equal to 2. Okay. Then there exist unique integers q and r such that a is equal to bq plus r. In that format we can write this 6 and 2. That's the meaning. So 0 less than or equal to r less than b. This is Euclid's division lemma. You should learn this. You should study this 4 lines. Suppose for 2 mark they will ask, write Euclid's division lemma. So this 4 lines you need to write with that condition. Okay, the concept is, suppose we are taking two numbers a and b. A is equal to 6, b is equal to 2. This is using for division. Okay, so 6 divided by 2 is 3 2s are 6 and the remainder is 0, correct? So this is a and this is b, because a is equal to 6, b is equal to 2. There exist unique integers q. Q is the quotient. Here q is the quotient, r is the remainder. So this r is the remainder. So how we can mention this 6 and 2? A is equal to 6. No, what is the format? A is equal to bq plus r. This is the formula for Euclid's division lemma. The place of a, 6 equal to b, 2 into, what is the quotient? 3 plus remainder is 0. We got the correct answer. No, 6 equal to 6. So 6 can be written as Euclid division lemma. For reduction term, we can write this format. What is the condition? 0 less than or equal to or less than b. So here also 0 less than or equal to, here remainder is 0. No? So or less than b. B is 2. So what will be the reminders here? 0 will be the remainder, one option. 1 should also be the remainder. Suppose I am taking 7 and 2. In this case, we will getting the remainder 1. See here, 7 divided by 2. 3 2s are 6, balance 1. So how we can mention this 7? 7 is equal to this 2 into 3 plus 1. It is in that format, correct? A is equal to bq plus r. Quotient is 3, remainder is 1. So the condition 0 less than or equal to or less than b means the remainder, it should lie between 0 and the divisor. Here 0 and the 2. So what will be the remainder? 0 and 1 will only be the possibility. Here the remainder is 0. In this case the remainder is 1. Suppose we are taking 8 and 2. So 8 divided by 2. 4 2s are 8. The remainder is 0. Suppose we are taking 9. The remainder is 1. What is the reason? When we are dividing by 2, there will be get 2 reminders only. What are they? 0 and 1. So this condition is true only. Okay. For any number, when we divide, taking two numbers, that number should be written in that format with this condition. Shall we check one large number? 36 and 5. So A is equal to 36, B is equal to 5. So A should be greater than B. So 36 should be greater than 5. Correct only, no? I am going to write in this format. A is equal to BQ plus R. With that condition 0 less than or equal to less than B. Okay. How can we write this? 36 divided by 5. 5 7s are 35. Balance 1. Okay. So 35 is equal to, here B, this is Q, the quotient and remainder in this place. 5 into 7 plus 1. So here 0 less than or equal to or less than B, 5. So what are the possible reminders here? It should lie between 0 and 5. 0 will come, 1 will come, 2 will come, 3 and 4 will come. Okay, here the remainder is 1. So that is correct. So any number, if we are selecting two numbers, we can write using this concept with this condition. That is the Euclid's division lemma. So again tell, what is Euclid's division lemma? If we took two numbers A and B, that A number should be larger than B. Be any two positive integers. This is very, very important. It should be positive integers. Then there exist unique integers Q and R such that, what is the condition? A is equal to BQ plus R. So 0 less than or equal to R less than B. And this is the explanation, and these examples you can write for rough work, and this concept you need to copy in your note. Got it, students? Okay, dear students, come to the first example. Example 2.1. We have 34 cakes. Okay, it may be banana cake. Okay, anyhow, it is some cake. We have 34 cakes. Each box can hold 5 cakes only. So, totally we have 34 cakes. In one box, how many cakes we can keep? 5 cakes only. So, how many boxes we need to pack and how many cakes are unpacked? Total how many boxes needed we need to calculate, and how many cakes are unpacked. Leftover cake, no, that cake also we need to find. So, using Euclid's division lemma, we can find this easily. So, how 34 divided by 5, 6 5s are 30 and balance 4. No, this format you need to write. So, here 34 can be write 34 which is equal to 5 into 6 plus 4. This is the format. Which format? A is equal to BQ plus R. So, A is the dividend, B is the divisor, Q is the quotient and R is the remainder. So, total number of cakes? Total number of cakes equal to 34. Then, number of cakes in each box, that is this 5. Each box equal to 5. The number of boxes. How many boxes we need? Here easily we found, no, 6 boxes. So 6 boxes. And this is the remainder. Remainder means leftover. How many cakes are unpacked? Number of cakes unpacked, which is equal to 4. That's all. Very, very simple question, no? So, this is using division lemma. We wrote first the format you need to write. After that, this equation formula. Then total number of cakes 34. This is number of cakes in each box. This means this is the answer. Number of boxes we need 6 boxes and cakes unpacked. Very, very simple problem. Okay, write this in your note and learn. Okay. Then generalized form of Euclid's division lemma we are going to learn now. Listen, dear students. Now, generalized form of Euclid's division lemma. If A and B are any two integers, what is the difference between normal division lemma and this division lemma generalized form? They are two positive integers. Positive integers, they are here two integers. Then what will be the difference? See, then there exist unique integers q and r, same only, such that A is equal to bq plus r. The formula also same for Euclid's division lemma and generalized form. The condition is varying. See, 0 less than or equal to r less than there, less than b only, but for positive integers, here for integers it is absolute value of b, that means mod b. So this is the main difference. If you are writing positive integers means there should not come modulus, and here if you generalize this means two integers means we can take it as modulus. So what is the difference? If they given positive number means you need to use this lemma. If they given any negative number, that means normal integers means you can use this lemma. Okay. The main difference is the condition itself, it will come in modulus sign, and for normal integers, positive integers, there should not come any modulus. That's the difference. Okay. Okay, listen. Okay, listen students. Generalized form is the condition is A is equal to BQ plus R, 0 less than or equal to R less than mod B. This means for integers. Integers means positive or negative. Both the numbers will come. You can use this one. Positive alone means, positive integers only means, you can use A is equal to BQ plus R, and what is the condition? 0 less than or equal to R less than B. So see the difference. For Euclid's division lemma, there are two categories. First one is positive integer means there should not come modulus. If they given positive and negative integers means you need to restrict to the modulus. Okay, because the modulus sign if we get means the positive sign also will change to negative sign. The negative sign will change to positive sign. That's the difference. Okay. So whenever negative number come, you need to use this formula. Whenever positive number come, you need to use this formula. That's the difference. Okay, shall we see one example problem? Example 2.2, only one first is subdivision only. Okay, listen dear students. Example 2.2, find the quotient and remainder we need to find when A is divided by B in the following cases. Here negative number. See, so you need to use the generalized form of Euclid's division lemma. So by Euclid's division lemma, What is the formula? A is equal to BQ plus R, where 0 less than or equal to or less than mod B, because here negative number comes, so only we are using this formula. So just I substitute in this value. A is equal to minus 12, B is equal to 5. This coefficient and remainder only we need to calculate. So the condition also 0 less than or equal to or less than modulus of 5. So the remainder, in the place of remainder, surely we need to get which value? Positive value, because what are the reminders will come? 0 may come, 1, 2, 3, 4. Among these 4 numbers, one value here it should come, because the remainder lies between, if we generalize this, 0 less than or equal to or less than modulus of 5 is 5 only, no. So what are the remainder values here? It may come 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, these 5 values, among these 5 values, any number will come here. So here we need to get minus 12. So how can we write here? 5 into minus 3, what is the answer? Minus 15. So minus 15 plus, which number is suitable to get minus 12? If you are writing 3 means it will come correct? Yes. So here only you need to guess the answer by seeing this. So minus 12 is equal to 5 into minus 3, minus 15. So plus 3, again we are getting 12. Suppose if you are taking here 5 into, for rough work I am writing, 5 into 2. 5 2s are 10, no. So plus 2 means we are getting 12 only. But we need to get negative sign. So only we are taking this minus 3. Got it, students? One more problem shall we see? Therefore here, what is the coefficient here? Coefficient is equal to minus 3. And what is the remainder? Remainder is equal to 3. Okay, that's all. Okay, students, today we can winding up to this, and remaining problems we can see in the next class. And before that, complete the practical geometry homework and learn this division lemma also. Okay, thank you, students. Have a nice day.